Mexico is a land of history, a land of struggle, a land of dreams. One of those struggles took place in a region of Jalisco called Los Altos. A group that embraced their ideals and fought for them and for their principles was known as the Cristeros. In homage to those men and women who fought to defend their place, Tequila Cristeros was created. In the town of Tepatitlan in Jalisco, in the heart of Los Altos, Industrializadora de Agave San Isidro S.A.D.C.V. is founded. The cradle of Tequila Cristeros, a tequila of high quality. From the fields of blue Tequilana Weber agave, the best plants are selected so that expert hands cut off their sharp spines. Once this has been done, the agaves are unearthed and are taken into the ovens to be cooked for 30 hours. They are also taken in huge autoclaves in which they are cooked for 7 to 8 hours. Then, the cooked agaves are taken out to be placed in a shredding machine. And, as the juices are channeled out, those agaves are then rendered into a pulp which is used as animal feed or as a component of building materials. The agave juices are stored in 39 fermentation tanks. In these tanks, the wort is stored so that yeast present in it will cleanse the agave juices of all impurities. After fermentation, what will soon become an aged or finely aged tequila goes on to the first distillation, in which the liquor is between 26 and 36% alcohol. At the second distillation, the tequila acquires the required alcohol content. The whole process is supervised by our experts and backed by the Mexican Tequila Council. When the tequila is ready, it goes on to where it is taken care of. A vast cellar where 1,400 evergreen or white oak casks preserve the flavor, the purity, and the aroma. These fine casks jealously treasure our product. When the moment comes for the liquor to leave the cellar, it will be on the bottling area. Here, Tequila Cristeros is bottled with the help of state-of-the-art machinery. An operation that is also thoroughly supervised. Cristeros is known all over Mexico. It can be found in the best and most prestigious stores. Cristeros comes in 1 liter and 750 milliliter presentations for the finely aged, silver, aged, and gold lines. Soon, you will be able to enjoy Cristeros in a new presentation. At the same time, we will introduce new areas in our factory which are now being finished. Inside our facilities, we have built a replica of an old Mexican town, in which we treat our guests and make them feel at home. With ornamental elements and motifs from the age of the Cristeros, there is a small chapel for those who wish to do a little meditation, and pictures which show the way of life of those who fought. Also, in keeping with our country traditions, our visitors will admire antique objects from the old discipline of charreria. We still keep objects that formerly were used to distill tequila. This is Cristeros, a self-sufficient company with all the resources needed to make tequila by traditional processes. Tequila Cristeros, from Jalisco, from Los Altos, for the world to enjoy. Tequila Cristeros, bearer of history and high quality.